Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and I got the, I'm going to install the light fixture. We're going to do a review of that, but first, before we do a review of installing it, I want to compare it to the light fixture that I have, so you guys see what I'm changing out, in case you're in the same or similar situation as me. That is the light that I have right now for the backyard. It's two floodlights, halogens, 75 watt. They use a lot of power, and they're halogen. They get hot, and yeah, that's it. That's what we have up there right now. It's very old. That's what we've been using. So that lights up this area and lights up over here. I have a little light right here because I'm going to wire that up. Hopefully, maybe tonight, if I feel like it. I'm going to right now just do the reviews on the lights, and you're going to see how bright they are and how much they light up the my backyard. So you can compare your size backyard and have an idea if this is for you and worth you to take the, you know, the investment of spending it and the time to put it in and whatever the case may be. All right, so I'm going to put this way back in the corner over here. Okay, it's going to get dark because I'm going to unplug the light. And I want to do it from far away. This way, you know, you guys can see, you know, how much it really brightens up, you know, the area. So I'm going to put it right there. Yeah, probably about 24 feet, 25 feet away from me. Okay, so we're going to turn it on. You're going to see how much it's going to light up my backyard and get an idea of just the halogens. 75 watt is going to work, and like, you know. Pretty dark. I mean, to me at least. Here, I'm gonna turn over here. That's the light that I got right there, and there's nothing over there at all. So yeah, so that's what you can expect if you have my size backyard, or what you're looking at of the brightness, about what you're gonna get off the 275 floodlights. So this is what you can expect from there. Let's turn this off, turn the other light back on, and let's get to the installation of the new light. And then we're going to come back, turn on the new light, and you're going to see the difference in brightness. You could skip ahead in the video and skip back and see the brightness difference when I turned it, the camera, and all that other jibba jabba. All right. Okay, these are pieces of crap. Let's get the wire nuts. Let's get the wire nuts. Not a big deal. I'm not complaining. It's just these things definitely aren't legal, probably. Let's see that already. So let's get that all off, and let's just get some wire nuts up there. All right, I found me some yellow ones that are good size, so I can put this thing together. All right, let's do this. Hello everyone, we're back with Glenn Velvet Reviews. I didn't get to finish last night. I do not know where we left off. I was trying to show you guys stuff. Little did I know, my iPhone ran out of storage. So I don't know when it ended, because I do not know exactly what happened. So there's the fixture. I put the gasket right on top of there. I ran the green, white, and black up into that middle part. You see it? And I aligned it to make sure that the middle light would come exactly aligned with this corner. So that's kind of how I aligned it before I installed it, just to show you. And then also, see, these screws for the mounting plate. These screws were a little too long, I guess you could say, and they're the shortest ones that I could find, and I didn't feel like cutting them. I found some stainless steel washers. I put them on it for the space, and now it made it real nice and tight. I used the yellow things up there, wire nuts, to fit all the wires, you know, to wire nut them together, and that was it. And then I pushed it all up in there. It's not wet in there, so I'm not worried about it. I did want to tape up the wire nuts, but I already mounted it, and you know, everything got kind of messed up last night. But like I said, there's no water in here, so, and plus it's under this, so that's why I don't think we have a problem, because this was from like 1970 something, and it looks fine. I've worked on stores and cafes and all this other crap where they're like 5-10 years old, and they're all rusted out and disgusting. So you know, looks pretty good. So that's kind of what it looks like. That's the inside. Now you're going to see me mount it up. It's not dark out, so I'm not going to do a review of how bright it is. We're going to do that later on in like 2-3 hours when it gets dark, because I got to go to Lowe's and pick up some cement. No. I got to go to Lowe's and pick up some bolts. Then I got to go to Home Depot and pick up cement. And then maybe Harbor Freight. They're all next to each other, which is cool. That's why, I mean, it's cool living in the area, the overpopulated area that I'm in, you know, because everything is like within 2 minutes from my house. You can get everything you want, but you know, the traffic's not always that fun. So they give us this nice piece of crap tool to install this instead of it being a regular screw. I do not know why they make it an Allen key, because it's not like it's a tamper resistant Allen key. It doesn't have the pin in the middle. See? There's no pin in the middle or anything like that, so I don't even know what the hell they even have this. Just to make it difficult, because the thing was only 35 bucks. So I guess, you know, that's what happens when you get the cheap stuff. Alright guys, so yeah, I found a screw. This screw was a lot longer, so all you do is just stick it in the center and it attaches. The reason why the screw that came with it didn't fit is because I put the big gasket on here, and the gasket is made to go on the next part. On top of the attached to the box itself. So I did not do that. I messed that up like an idiot. So we're gonna have to just hope for the best, pretty much. So that's it. So I screwed it in, got it in nice and tight, found a longer screw. Now I'm gonna position this like this out. Now I can position. Okay, so that's my positioning. We're going to check it out later when it gets dark. You guys are going to see how bright it is, and you can compare it to the bulbs that we tested out earlier in the video. So yeah, these are the ones that came with it. I don't know if you got these, and they are pieces of crap. They're probably not even legal, and these are the wire connectors they gave you. They're made for very, very small, low amperage wire. I would only use this, maybe even just DC, 12 volts. So yeah, that was crap. So I used wire nuts. All right, everyone, we are back. Let's get this review of this LED floodlight done. It's pitch black dark out here. I'm gonna go turn down the light. You're gonna see how bright it is, and then just see if you like how bright it is. Compare it to the lights that we tried before, that I did the review before in the video. Just click back and see how bright it is, and then you get an idea of if it's an upgrade or a downgrade. I don't know. This is my first time, so you're gonna see it with me. Let's turn it on and see how bright it looks back here. All right, everyone, we're back, and I found the short inside the light. Sorry about that before. One of the screws rubbed against the wire, and it was making it short out. So now it should be fine. We're gonna turn it on. You're gonna see how bright it is now. That's my headlight that I have on, and I'm gonna turn it on. All right, let's go see how bright this is. All right, everyone, so this is what it looks like. This is how bright it is. It doesn't look white it is bright. Oh my God, wow. This is how much brighter it is. You can compare it to the other light fixtures, lights, whatever I had before. And like I said, this is a total of 50 watts, if you heard my conversation over there. And it's pretty bright. It's very white for me, but I would like it to be more of a daylight white, like a 4000K, I think. Because I think when you get 5,000 or 6,000, it starts to turn a little bluish. And yeah, this looks like that. So I'm not 100% a fan of it, but you know, I guess whatever. It is what it is. It's gonna work. It's pretty bright. I like it. Alright, so that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff of reviews of products or projects that I'm doing. And just to help out the community and them spending their money and buying stuff. We all can help each other out. and not get screwed over. All right. So everybody enjoy, be safe. Glen Velvet Reviews is out. Later.